Welcome! In this video, I will show you how to use Solfegio quizzes. But first, what are they? These are short 10 to 15 minute long interactive quizzes which cover topics such as notation and music careers. Worth noting that each quiz includes a practical exercise. You can use them with your students as independent practice in the classroom, home assignments, or even knowledge tests. To search for quizzes, you can select a specific category, then look at the description and difficulty level, or discover more by clicking on the quiz. When clicking on it, you will find a description of the quiz and a breakdown of the topics, the approximate class length, difficulty, category, and the songs that will be used for the practical exercise. You can assign this quiz to your students via Google Classroom or by simply sending them a link. That's it. Give it a go and let me know how you got on.